The Rivers State political drama is entering a new phase. After 6 months of emergency rule under retired Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas, the Rivers State House of Assembly has launched a probe into how more than 254 billion naira received from FARC during that period was spent. The Assembly's decision comes just days after returning from suspension, raising tensions between lawmakers and the immediate past administrator. The key highlights from the financials: Rivers State received 254.37 billion naira between March and August, averaging 42 billion naira monthly. More than 52% of this came from the 13% oil derivation fund, showing heavy dependence on oil revenues. VAT contributed about 107 billion naira, 42%, serving as a stabilizer. 26.31 billion naira was lost to foreign loan deductions, further cutting into available funds. Despite these inflows, the state government has not published its 2025 budget implementation report, leaving questions about transparency. Politically, this probe could reopen old wounds. The crisis began with the power tussle between Wike and Fubara. Tinubu's declaration of emergency in March suspended elected officials and installed Ibas. After reconciliation, normal governance returned in September, but now the Assembly wants accountability. The looming showdown is not just about figures, it's about power, transparency, and political control in one of Nigeria's wealthiest oil states. Welcome to Inside Out News. The political stage in Rivers State is heating up once again, this time over money. The immediate past sole administrator of Rivers State, Vice Admiral Ibok Ibas, retired, has rejected moves by the Rivers State House of Assembly to probe spending during his 6-month tenure. Lawmakers returning from suspension after the end of emergency rule say they want to know exactly how the state's huge inflows over 254 billion naira from FARC between March and August were used. According to data from the National Bureau of Statistics and FARC records, Rivers State's allocations leaned heavily on the 13% oil derivation, which alone contributed more than half of the revenue. At the same time, the state lost over 26 billion naira to debt servicing, while VAT receipts added some stability to its finances. But there's the big question: where did the money go? Despite these massive inflows, the state government has not published its 2025 budget implementation report, leaving citizens in dark about how funds were allocated to salaries, pensions, or projects. Observers say this probe may spark a fresh political storm. Recall that Rivers State has only just emerged from months of crisis that saw Governor Sim Fubara, his deputy, and the Assembly suspended under a state of emergency declared by President Tinubu in March. Now, with the Assembly back in session, the battle line appears to be drawn between the lawmakers and the immediate past administrator. Will this probe shed light on accountability, or will it deepen Rivers State's political divides? Nigerians, especially the people of Rivers, are watching closely. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep analysis on Nigeria's politics. See you again in the next video. Till then, this is Inside Out News, digging beneath the headlines, bringing truth to light. Thanks for watching.